Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies, just finishing up these egress windows and wells. Got them in and grouted. I'll let that dry and then we're going to seal around them. Both turned out real nice. Floor in here turned out beautiful. We like to do lots of extra control joints in basements, pretty much in everything that we pour here in Colorado. Split these squares up as much as you can. Colorado soils are constantly moving a little bit, and the more control joints you have, any cracks that do open are going to stay in those control joints, and you can seal them and not have any issues in the future. Jade Alpine, a couple final videos on this project. If you've been watching, I've got some before and durings. You can see them on our website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on our YouTube link and watch close to 2,000 videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Jade Alpine.